Number two is the fact that when it comes to the ILP, the government of Meghalaya's most direct and firm stand has been shown in terms of the resolution that we have passed. Now, beyond this, really we have to pursue with Government of India. So, which is something, of course, we are still doing. But what I'm saying is that at this point in time, the ball is lying in the Government of India's court. So, yes, we should pursue. I would urge that the organizations also should take the step. They can, move forward and meet other officials, other leaders in Delhi also, and pursue this matter along with the state government and try to find a solution to the problem that we're facing right now and see how we can work together.